Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how the present tense works in English, without turning it into a boring grammar lesson. Trust me, you're going to use this stuff every single day, with real people in real conversations. Let's jump in. Picture this. You wake up, you grab your phone, and you text your friend, "I eat breakfast." That's the present tense. Super simple. It's all about what's happening right now, what you do every day, or things that are generally true. Let's make it even easier. When I say, "I play soccer," it means I do it often, maybe every weekend. If you say, "She drinks coffee," you're telling me that's her habit. Maybe she needs her caffeine, just like me. Now here's a quick trick. For most verbs, just use the base form, I walk, you run, we dance. But for he, she, or it, add that S. He walks, she runs, it rains, easy, right? Even if English feels tricky, this part is totally doable. Let's try something together. Think about a friend. Got someone in mind? Now tell me what they do every day. Maybe my friend studies English or my brother watches TV. And if you want to make it negative, just throw in don't or doesn't. Like, I don't like broccoli, or she doesn't play video games. Okay, let's see the present tense in action with real people. I meet my friends at the park. We laugh a lot. My sister makes the best pizza. You listen to music all the time. They play basketball after school. See? The present tense is everywhere. You use it to share your world, your habits, and even your secrets. Like, I dream about pizza at night. So, next time you're chatting with someone, texting, or even thinking in English, remember, present tense is your best friend. It keeps your conversations alive and real. That's it. You've got this. If you want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button and let's keep learning together without the snooze fest. See you next time.